Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Horizontal line first. After your horizontal line, we're told that the major axis of our diagram was okay. A to O was 60, so obviously A to C is 120. So we measure out 120 from our board. So F 6 and 0. So F6 and 0. So this is my O, this is my A, and this is my C. As you can see, O, A, and C. So drawing our ellipse, as always, you need to pick out your F1, F2. So for us here now, our advice, picking our F1, F2, using the diameter of the eye. So as you can see, the small radius of the eye was 8. So we'll assume that the bigger radius touching the wall will be 16. That's times 2 the size of the smaller radius. So how do we go about that? We pick our compass or pick our ruler, measure 1.6 from point A. 1.6 should be here. So this is my F1, and the diameter for the eye, diameter or radius for the eye. Then the next 1.6, yeah, this is my F2. So whichever point you pick your normal point, as always, either you go 1 centimeter, whichever measurement. But for this now, I'll be going 1 centimeter or more than 1 because I'm far from this. So this is my 1, 2, and 3. You pick your t-square. Pick your t-square. And let's project all of our lines. So for the diameter of the eye, remember it's coming downwards as well. So you project for the diameter of eye up and down. A mistake. For the other diameter, F2 is coming. Is coming up and down. So let me clean my mistakes. So this is the diameter for the eye. Straight up, you can pick your compass, draw your circle, but let's not jump. Let's get our ellipse first because that's like the tough part to get. So straight up, as always, remember you're taking your compass from 1 to A, 1 to A, 1 to A, as you can see. Put on F, cut up, cut down, go to your F2, repeat the same thing, cut up, cut down, stretch from C to 1, from C to 1, like I said, C to 1, put on F2, put in your point F2, cut, bring it to your F1, cut, then the next one again, from our C to 2, C to 2, put in your F2, project up, project down, bring it to your F1, project up, project down. Could actually make yours smaller and tiny. Come to A to 2, put in F here, cut. So I'm not going to be doing number 3. Make sure you do the number 3 in your own book because right now I'm tired and I'm stressed. You should do for 3, C to 3, cut up, cut down, so you can have 3 arcs. Pause the video now, draw yours. So I have 2 now for myself. So this is mine from my C through this place through this place, 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 through. So I expect you to draw yours and have an extra. Okay, so this is my own curve. So measure 1.6 centimeter, or you don't need to measure, just stretch from F1 to your wall E, from F1 to your wall E, wherever your A, sorry, F1 to draw the bigger circle whose radius is 1.6, but remember the reason I'm not measuring is because I made my distance of F1 to C 1.6. That is why I'm not bothering measuring. Alright. So what next? You know we have another radius 0.8. Measure out 0.8. Your compass. Draw your. What's wrong? No, this is more than 0.8. Okay, that was 0.8. So it looks kind of big because to me, draw out your 0.8. Sorry, my measurement might not be correct, but make sure you're using the exact measurement you're hearing me mention. So for the, I don't know if it is, yeah, it's the year, not one. So from your eye here, right? From your eye, you project to, okay, we're told it's 50 centimeters. So measure 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter upwards from here. So I know this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my point 50 centimeter. So instead of me measuring 2 times, I'll slide my ruler upwards on the dots, then cut my other 50 here. So I know my 50s. So from here, from this high to that dot. So now you stop at the head of the bat, right? Enjoying this also, just by transfer this out, and from this other high also to that point 5, you draw that out. Okay, I think we're almost done. So for the beak, we're told to reflect this downside where these 2 circles, the tangent of these 2 circles, just on a thin line, right? Then come from the center 0, going is your ruler, center 0. We need to project our center 0 downwards. Center 0 is downwards, yes. So from this central point to the wall of this high, and from this central point to the wall of this high, right? So for this, we already projected. So they told us from the center here downwards, measure 60, then measure 70. So I want to project my line out more. So I'm projecting them out more, projecting them out more. So measure out 60 and 70 from this very, very long line. Come to this point. I can't see this, but I'll try very best. So this is my point 60, and 70 plus 60 is 13, 130. So from here, slide my t-square, cut it, then my 70 again, mark the point out. Yes, that's done. So I pick my compass. They told me from here radius 50, right? So I pick my 50, measure 50. That's 5 centimeter. Measure 5 centimeter. Put at this junction, right? Put at this junction, then cut wherever it touches. Wherever it cuts. Yeah, then for the other radius, you have to bisect this bisect here, just extend to any point, and here, sorry, so put your compass here at this point, then touch this edge. Why is my compass adjusting? Just bisect and connect that joint. I don't know my compass. Okay, this is the point. Our bisection line, they connect those 2 points together. So that's all. I don't know if I should start shading. Then yeah, you project this upward. So thank you very much, Midecali here, and subscribe please. Peace out.